Ayan, dito na kami ngayon. Naka-taxi na kami pupunta po dyan sa venue. So, ayan, nakakuha kami ng mabait na driver. Ayan, so, here we are, Ma'am Grace. Hello, Ma'am Karen.
Hi.
Ayan, we are here. We are going to Phil Oil Arena, kung saan gaganapin ang venue namin. So, ayan, si Sir Driver. Ayan. Oo naman, mamaya. So, ayan. So, we are so excited for this event. Ayan. Okay, see you there. Ayan, dito kami ngayon sa pilahan kasi pila muna para ibigay namin itong mga tickets namin po. Ito kasi mararaffle. Baka sakaling mananalo tayo, guys. Okay, so pila muna. Ayan, ang haba po ng pila. Ayan. Ayan, hanggang doon yung pila. Ayan, so pila-pila muna. Mamaya pasok na po kami. Okay, see you guys. Guys, ang aming top earner na si Sir Darwin, Captain Sir Darwin. Ayan. Ayan, so guys, sino nagsasabi dyan na ang success pro ono ay hindi legal? Ayan po. One of the respected chief captain of the Philippines. Member po namin ng aming top earner po. Ayan, si Sir Darwin Manula. Ayan, kasi po naman, sir. Ayan.
Billy Summersore, Eric Manapso, Irene Degonado, Myla Miguel, Mark Andrew Colado, Redmark Tamondo, and Roxanne Buscato. Now, the Uno Car Achiever Awardees from Local, starting off from the first batch, Alfredo Salazar, Hero Vanessa Lina, Arnel Marqueza, Benjamin Jimenez Jr., Bernadette Modestad, Carol De Paz, Danny Davies, Yosa Agabao, Eric Campano, Eric Santaco, Gina Lisa Azor, Arlene Hidalgo, Jay Galoro, Filomena de la Cruz, J.D. Lucate, Jason Diaz, Joey Alcantara, Jamali Cole, Jerry Castillo, Jay Carvati, Gerald Saviano, Joanna Marie Garces, Joanette Duran, Joe Carbuco, and Joe Martin. Congratulations, awardees ng Speakers Hero Awards. And thank you very much to our presenters. Ituloy natin ang ating programa sa ating mga pulong abala. Cornelio Corpus, Crisanta Dagon, Darwin Zamaguna, Domingo Lavinas Jr., Elvin Tamara, once again, Adriana Miguel, Cornelio Corpus, Crisanta Dagon,
asawa ni Tio Dongdong.
Darwin Zamaguna, Freddy Montalva, Domingo Lavinas Jr., Elvin Tamara, Gerald Aguro,
Siguro nakakapunta ka kasama rin nag-riman. Yan ang ano, tagalawang mga pamilya ni Tiket. Tulong yung kasama.
and Leonida Corpus. Congratulations to the Fast and Furious local members. We now proceed to the global awardee for Fast and Furious, and the global awardee is Geneva Acevedo. Congratulations to the global awardee in the global category of the Fast and Furious. We now proceed to Too Fast, Too Furious. And Mercy Moscow. Congratulations to the members of the Emerald Local Award. We now proceed to the Renell, Austria. And Virgilio Ramazan Jr. Congratulations to the members of the Diamond Local Awardees. We now proceed with the Catalea Senal, Biel Marie Apolonio, Richie Lorenzo, Rodriguez Tobias, Sunshine Canales, and Wendell Encarnacion. Congratulations to the local awardees in Ruby. We now go to the local awardees. And Eva Amaro, Punto Parejo. Evelyn Arumay. Eric June Pagiente. Eva Carreras. Flor Doliente.
Okay, sabay-sabay.